Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys my design team package that I just received from Beebeecraft. I will have the link to their store in the description box below, as well as a direct link to each one of these items that I picked out. And you can also check to find information if you want to actually go ahead and be a part of their design team and review products for them. All that information will be down in the description box below, so make sure to check all those links out. So let's get started and I will share with you the items that I will be working with. So the first thing I picked out were these faceted metal spacer beads, and I don't know if you can tell, but they're in the color rose gold. I don't even know if I have any rose gold findings or metal beads in my collection right now, but this comes with a set of 50 and they are 3 millimeters, so they are really tiny. You can see that's my pinky and look how tiny they are. But I wanted to go ahead and try these out. I also picked out this 10 color Crackle Lampwork glass beads, and I love these little cases that these sort of kits come in. That way I don't have to figure out a way to store them. Look how pretty. It's like a rainbow in a box. These are 6 millimeters, so they are pretty small. And I love the crackle as well as like the two-tone color of some of them. Like in the box, these look like lavender, but they're actually clear and lavender. And then the same with kind of these really baby pink ones. It's clear and baby pink. So I'm going to have a lot of fun, and look how much you get. Here, let me close this so I don't spill it everywhere. That is a lot of beads. I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with those. I also grabbed some seed beads. I shouldn't say some. This is a huge package of them. This is the 15 color seed beads in the 8/0 size. And if you guys are not familiar with seed bead sizes, the lower the number, the bigger the bead. So these 8/0 seed beads measure about 3 millimeters. Again, they come in this really sturdy and nice case that they're all contained in. They are a ton of seed beads in here. I normally don't work with seed beads this big, even though, you know, seed beads are tiny. But I wanted to make some bracelets, and I normally work with 11/0s, and they're just really tiny. But I love these pastel colors, and this just speaks to me. I love this color palette. So again, that is the 15 color 8/0 seed beads. And lastly, this is the one that I've been most excited about, but it is the Epoxy Resin Molds Kit, and you do get 7 different molds, and I will go over each one of those in a second. You also get a plastic measuring cup. This is 100 milliliters, and of course you can reuse this. And they do also provide you with some popsicle sticks, or they call them wood sticks, so you can use these for mixing. You get 7 different molds, like I mentioned, and here is the first one. Look how big this heart is. This heart mold alone measures about 6 inches at the widest point of the heart. I think this will be so much fun to create something with. You get a variety of different sizes and shapes. So here is a rectangle, an oval, a square, and a circle. Then you get a larger square and a larger circle. And with this one, I really want to try to make some coasters and also maybe some 3D flowers. I've been watching a lot of videos on that lately, so I want to give that a try. But this kit is amazing because you get 7 different molds and they're not teeny tiny. You also get the measuring cup and the stir sticks. And it's only a little bit over $11 and you cannot beat that. So I will definitely be playing with this set probably right after this video. I did get some new resin in that I do want to try out. So make sure to stay tuned. I will have a couple of videos showcasing these products and maybe throwing in some of the ones that I got last month so that you guys can see how they can be used and give you some inspiration and some ideas. So make sure to check out all the links in the description box below. Beebeecraft usually always has some sort of sale going on their website, and they have so many different items that you can choose from to create any type of project that you are wanting. So I hope you guys are excited about the products that I picked out, and we'll be able to see what I can create with them. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye everyone.